Hello friends, if you sound unnatural while speaking English language or if you sound like a parrot because you have to translate each and every sentence from your mother tongue to English, and by the time you translate then the moment is already gone whatever you are trying to say to the other person. Or if you have limited vocabulary, lots of emotions and thoughts, ideas going inside, and because of limited vocabulary, you cannot express your thoughts pretty well, then you have clicked on the right video. My dear friends, I assure you, if you watch this video till the end, your mindset, your thought process will be completely changed. I will share with you one bonus tip. Okay, so be tuned till the end of this video. So without wasting time, let's get started. The first tip is that describe the objects around you. Whatever you see, just think in English, or if possible, speak aloud. Nobody will judge you because you are alone now. For instance, how will I describe it? I am standing in the middle of a jungle. Nobody is around me. Only two girls are going over there, and they are joking to each other as if somebody has proposed them, and they are laughing at me because I am recording this video, and some butterflies are flying, a lot of greeneries around me, a lot of trees, rivers are flowing over there, and you can see how beautiful this place is, how calm, cool you can feel over here. No any tension, no any frustration, nobody will judge you because you are completely alone with your camera, right? So hence you can describe yourself, whatever comes in your mind, don't stop it. Let's go on speaking as much as possible. So this is the first tip, and make it a habit. Do it multiple times a day. Whenever you feel like I am alone and I have nothing to do, then let's start talking to yourself in English. Lots of birds are chirping over there, and you can see, just listen, right? I hope you are hearing the voice. So well friends, hence you can enjoy your journey. You will never feel, if you do this technique, then you will never feel as if English is a burden for you. You will enjoy the process. Okay, learn English in a humor way. Okay, don't take it negatively, don't take it as if English is a burden, it's a very hard language, tough language. Not like that. It's very easy. I live in a village, however I am speaking English fluently, so you can speak too. Now tip number 2 is recap your day. What does it mean? Whatever the activities you do in your real life since morning till the night, you have to describe it only in English. For example, I came to jungle this morning. I picked up around 2 kg to 3 kg mushroom. So you can see my fingers are black now. And one more thing I did today, it's my everyday work. I have been picking up mushrooms. It's been 2 weeks. Now it's time to go to my home because if I will stay a little longer in this dense forest or jungle, then my mother, she will scold me. That is the reason I will leave this jungle in just 5 minutes. Hence you can just narrate your day in English, and believe me, if you will do this regularly for a month, your mind will be automatically shift or rewired from your mother tongue to English only. The third tip is that what you need to do is just watch any English content with subtitles and without subtitles, and whenever you come across to new words, new phrase, new vocabularies, then write it down and make 2 to 3 sentences of that phrase or phrasal verbs or vocabulary, so as to you can enhance your vocabulary and you can express your thoughts, ideas and feelings as I am expressing without thinking in my mother tongue. However, English is my third language. Let me talk about the bonus tip. It's my favorite one. Whenever you have free time, what you can do is set a timer for 2 minutes only and start speaking, choosing any of your favorite topics as per your choice, and just go on speaking without bothering about grammatical mistakes or what sort of words are you using there. Okay, and just if you will start speaking like an anchor, then believe me, your English will be too fluent. You will not have to join any high expensive classes or courses to improve your English. Everything is in your hand. If you have really a strong desire to learn English language, then start it from today onwards, because tomorrow never comes. If you really like this video or my energy, my scene, you can see the views here. Okay, then don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. I will make videos every day from this jungle. But my friends, you can comment me below what are the problems which hold you to express yourself in English. I will come up with new ideas and I will share with you natural tips and tricks what I followed in my daily life, because I live in a small village. I do not have any friends with whom I can practice English, but I have my camera, my mobile phone, I can practice with it. I'm very comfortable in expressing myself every day in English.